ఏం చేస్తుంది ముమైత్?
Recovering
from?
This year Jan I had aneurysm coiling done. That is because I met with an accident at home because my floor is marble and I have Italian bed. So normally Italian bed have sharp edges, right? You have square, low bed, square one and proper. So because of the floor being marble, I slipped and then I banged my head on the corner.
Okay.
Which I thought, okay, fine, I'll be fine. But then I directly got up in the hospital. And then I thought, oh, did I hurt my head so bad that I got stitches and I'm in the hospital right now?
Okay.
And then I get to know, because I don't remember anything, then I get to know that I bursted my 3 nerves and my brain was bleeding for 2 days continuously, which I don't know about it. I was in coma for 14 days.
God!
No, I'm serious.
Are you serious?
I'm not joking. Do you want the CD of my operation? You'll find andas in my brain. You'll find titanium wires in my brain. I have 9 titanium wires. So while the surgery was happening, because the 2 other nerves were swollen.
Okay.
So when they were injected, it was a very high upgraded version of operation, because normally anything happens with the brain, they shave, they cut, they stitch and everything. But this was very simple. It was from the hip bone. They inject you the wire which goes and block the area from where it's bleeding, the nerves are bleeding. So while inserting the 3rd one, I bursted my 2 more nerves because it was swollen. So the pressure, it bursted more. So even the doctors, they got so scared. So for safety purpose, they put 9 titanium wires in my brain. So
When this happened?
Jan 5th this year.
Okay.
Yeah. And I was, he literally said it, I'm not supposed to walk for 8 months because in aneurysm, it's advanced one, it's upgraded one. So what happens in that, even tying your shoe, it's a major problem. So I was not supposed to bend, my blood pressure should not, it was not supposed to go more than 130. It was like nothing, I was not supposed to do, no tension, no, and best part, I bursted my sensory system nerves because we have 4 brains, right? 2 bigger and 2 smaller. So one side, it gives you the sense of your feelings, your happiness, sad and everything. The other one is for your system and like, you know, so more and so on, because that's where the whole your body is connected. So I bursted my sensory system nerves. If I love you, I will give you my everything. And if I hate you, I will take everything. Even if I've given you the underwear also, and I will take it. I will not leave. I'm sorry.
చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి ఇలాగే ఉందా ముమైత్? From starting? From childhood?
Childhood. From the childhood. Ask my mother. Since childhood, I have always been like this. You cannot. You be nice to me. I'll be very nice to you.
Okay.
You ask me anything, it's always 24/7 it's available for you and my door is open for you. My mother also knows. कि दिल से प्यार करती नहीं तो भगा देती है. मालूम है. माँ को भी मालूम है. वो किया, वो होने के बाद what happened, I was not supposed to yell. And plus I was doing all the stunts. It was giving me pressure.
Okay.
I was not supposed to do that. So वो build up. So when final आया तो मैंने, और please genuinely tell me, after being on this position, I'm not saying, oh, I'm on a high position. Yes, in your eyes and in others' eyes and the respect what the other people they give me, I totally appreciate that and I accept my position where I am. But do you genuinely think I have gone over there to do a competition with girls? No, I was there to test myself. क्योंकि मेरे को इंजरी हुआ है. मुझे देखना है कि मुझ में कितनी ताकत है.
Okay.
How much power do I have to take it? You know, you have a willpower. So my only thing was, even though if I reach to the top, I will never do the final with them. That was my from the beginning.
కానీ 14 years అప్పుడు ముమైత్
13 years
అప్పుడు ముమైత్ ఆ మనీ గురించే బయటకు వచ్చింది ఇంట్లో నుంచి, కరెక్టా?
From the age of 13 I started working because in all my previous interviews, if you have seen that we have reached to the position where my mom used to even search for 50 paisa in the house.
Okay. What was your dad by that time?
My dad was retired. He used to work for Mahindra and Mahindra. He was the main manager. He retired because earlier 51 they used to retire, right?
Okay.
My dad is 66, man, 68. 66, 68.
When you was 13?
No, now.
Now, oh,
My mother is 59 now.
no, by the time when
He
you
was retired, na babe. Company
When you're 13, he retired.
Of course,
Okay.
I was born late.
Okay.
My older sister, she is 41, 75 born. Zabain was born after 9 years. Huge gap.
Okay, totally you are three
Three
siblings.
sisters.
Three sisters.
Yeah, I'm the youngest.
Okay.
I'm the youngest.
Yeah.
इसके लिए तो वही एक था कि जब मैं कर सकती हूँ इतना मेजर जो अभी भी मेरा लाइफ रिस्क है इवन राइट नाउ माई लाइफ इज ऑन रिस्क टिल
Because of
टुडे
that injury.
yeah babe I'm not supposed to work for 2 years it's only going to be 1 year now
Yes.
I did Super 2 within 3 months after that I finished so many like Tikka shoot I finished it then there was a song I finished it then there was Ma award show I finished it then there was this event I have to finish then this Gemini I did so I've been going I've been active but not that active when I used to be 4 years back because that time I used to only work because there was no personal life babe I never saw my teens
Yes, yes.
okay I never saw my teens I never saw my 20s at the age of 26 I decided to take a break
Okay.
from the age of 13 till 26 continuously day and night I was working and at the age of 26 I decided to take a break was it wrong no
No.
क्योंकि मैंने तो मेरा बचपना भी नहीं देखा मेरा पर्सनल लाइफ भी नहीं है मेरा कुछ भी नहीं सिर्फ माँ बाप को ही देखा है मैंने सो ऑब्वियसली आई डिजर्व दैट ब्रेक व्हेन आई टुक द ब्रेक हाउ पीपल स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग एंड आई फाइंड इट सो पैथेटिक एंड पिटी ऑन देम कि ठीक है यार उनका भी घर मेरे बुराई करने से ही चलता है चला ले भाई कर ले प्रॉब्लम नहीं है सो दैट्स
ఎక్కడ బేసిక్ ఎక్కడ మీది నేటివ్ ఎక్కడ
बॉम्बे
బాంబే
या मुंबई आई एम born and brought up in Mumbai
ఓకే
my father is from Pakistan my mother is from Chennai Trishnapalli
ఓకే
मैंने अपने माँ बाप को बैठ के ये डिस्कस नहीं करते हुए सुना है कि इसने मेरा बुरा किया इसका सत्यानाश हो जाए इसने ये इंसान ने ऐसा किया ना अल्लाह उसको दिखाएगा इसने उसको वैसा किया ना मेरे दिल की हाई है यू नो अ नॉर्मल कॉन्वर्सेशन डज हैपन इन द एनी हाउस मैंने आज तक का नहीं सुना मेरे मॉम डैड के मुंह से टिल टुडे तो मेरे मन में भी नहीं आता है टिल टुडे मेरा माँ बाप कभी नहीं बोलेगा एक ही बोलता है बेटा जो जैसा करता है ना करने दो तुम तुम्हारा काम करो वो होता है वो टाइम के हिसाब से तुम्हारा नीयत अच्छा रहेगा ना तुमको सब मिलेगा तुमको जरूरत नहीं है कि अगर कोई गलत किया तो उसके लेवल पे नीचे गिर के उसको करो मैं आजकल मैं बोलने लगी टिल लाइक राइट नाउ आई कीप सेइंग नो नो इट्स अ कलयुग का टाइम जो जैसा करता ना उसको सुना के फिर अच्छा सो बोलकर निकल जाओ आज मैं बोलने लगती हूँ मेरे माँ बाप आज तक का दे डोंट स्पीक बैड अबाउट एनीबॉडी यानी एक काम वाली भी यहाँ पे तो काम द सर्वेंट्स दे मेक सो मच फूल मैन मेरा माँ इतना खाना खिला क्योंकि काम करता है ना खाना खिलाता है सब करता है 9 दिन काम आएगा 10वें दिन वो गायब होगी मॉम भड़क जाएगी 11वें दिन आके सॉरी बोलेगी मॉम फिर से काम पे लगाएगी तो वो माफ करने का आदत ही है दोनों को मॉम डैड को आदत है तुम कितना भी बुरा करके चले जाओगे ना पैसे चोरी करके ले जाओ झूठ बोल के चले जाओ कुछ लेके चले जाओ तभी खराब लगेगा बट विद इन द सेकेंड डे इफ यू कम एंड बी सॉरी अबाउट इट दे विल फॉरगिव यू दे विल फॉरगिव यू मी तो वो बचपन से मैंने देखा है सिंस चाइल्डहुड आई हैव सीन दैट इन माय पेरेंट्स
సో ఇండస్ట్రీకి వచ్చాక పేరెంట్స్తో ఎలాంటి గొడవ అవ్వలేదు ఇక్కడ సిచ్యువేషన్స్ కానీ వాళ్ళ అడ్వైస్
I am very lucky to
And
have
sisters,
a very supportive family. My family, I only believe in my family is my mother, father, Shamina Didi, my brother-in-law, Shamir Shamroz, my nephew, me and Zabain. ये मेरा फैमिली है उसके अलावा मेरे को कुछ नहीं मालूम दुनिया में क्या हो रहा है genuinely I genuinely don't know what's happening around me and I genuinely don't want to know what's happening around me. I'm not interested. ये मेरा फैमिली है इतना काफ़ी है मेरे लिए आई एम वेरी लकी माई एल्डर नेफ्यू इज 21 years old माई younger one is 19 years old I'm very lucky to have family who supports me for each and every small thing.
నార్మల్గా ముంబై అయితే ఇండస్ట్రీకి వచ్చాక సాంగ్స్ కానీ స్పెషల్ సాంగ్స్ కానీ అవన్నీ కొంచెం బోల్డ్గానే ఉన్నాయి సో కమింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఎ పఠాన్ ఫ్యామిలీ
babe, it's just a thinking.
మీ ఫ్యామిలీ ఓకే ఓపెన్ ఉన్నారు,
No, no.
రిలేటివ్స్ వాళ్ళు ఉంటారు
A
కదా.
friend of mine. Who cares about relatives?
No, మీ పేరెంట్స్ దగ్గరికి వచ్చి చెప్పడం కానీ దే గాట్.
I told you ना, my mother is what? Do you think इसमें guts रहेगा आके मेरी माँ को बोलने?
ఓకే.
जब बेटी ऐसी है तो सोच लो माँ कैसी रहेंगी. My mother, she is a very powerful woman.
ఓకే.
Trust me, I'm telling you.
Did there any dare to do that? Did
Nobody
anyone dare
dared.
to do that?
Nobody dared.
Okay.
कि मालूम है हसीन पागल है, जैसा बोलते ना मैं पागल हूँ. मालूम है उस मम्मी का नाम हसीना है. They call her हसीन.
ఆఫ్టర్ లివింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి వెళ్ళిపోయాక మీరు మీ మదర్ పిక్ ఒకటి సెండ్ చేయండి. వీ వాంట్ షో టు యువర్ వ్యూవర్స్. మీరు ఇంత చెప్పారు కదా మదర్ గురించి, మదర్ అండ్ ఫాదర్ గురించి. వీ వాంట్ టు షో.
My mother is very shy when it comes to camera.
Just send a photo. We'll show that.
Done. I'll give you. I love my both parents. Yeah. यार किसमें ताकत नहीं होती बोलने. Especially to our family, nobody speak. And I told you ना, society doesn't matter to me. I'm sorry. I don't work according to the society because society doesn't feed me. Society is not giving my monthly payment. Society is not putting the grocery in my house. Society is not paying my light bill. Society is not doing anything for me. Neither anybody.
Okay.
Nobody. I have become independent from the age of 13. So nobody. Sorry.
కానీ మీకు వచ్చిన ఆఫర్స్ జుబైన్కి రాలేదు, మీరే కదా ఎక్కువ.
Arey, Zubain was into modeling, yeah, babe.
ఓకే.
Zubain is a typical model type.
ఓకే.
I am pakka filmy type. Zubain is a model. She represented our India in 2004. She was Miss Tourism Queen.
వావ్.
She won the title. So, Zubain won Glad Rags, Miss Tourism Queen. She did so many. She's a pakka model.
ఓకే.
She's not a filmy like me. नहीं आएगा उसको. Zubain को expression भी नहीं आएगा.
బట్ మీ ఇద్దరు కలిసి ఒక సాంగ్ చేశారు కదా, తమిళ్
We do songs because
డాడీ
we look
మమ్మీ
twins. Yes, after makeup we look twins.
yes yes.
इसके लिए we work together. मजा आती है पर वो बोलती ना मुन्नू मेरे को तो समझता ही नहीं है.
But she too dances well.
Yeah. She is now working as an assistant director with Prabhu Bijoy Nambiar. She is doing so many things for her life. वो अलग है. Zubain was a very studious kid.
Wow.
And I was a very average.
Me below average.
Babe, average kid है ना, बहुत लाइफ में कमाल करते हैं, पता है?
Yes.
सीरियसली मुझे आज तक का साइन करने नहीं आता है. Oh God, I'm telling you. I told my CA एक स्टैम्प दे दो ना साइन का कर दूंगी चेक पे, मुझे नहीं आता है. So yeah, Zubain is a very studious kid.
Okay. She stays with you, no? మీతోనే ఉంటుందా?
See, we all three sisters are settled. Older sister got married at the age of 18. तो my brother-in-law, sister और मेरे भांजे, my nephews. ठीक है, उनका घर है just 10 feet away from my house.
ఇక్కడ ముంబైలోనే?
हाँ, in Mumbai. ठीक है, उसके 10 feet इधर my house. उसके थोड़ा half an hour near लोखंडवाला, Zubain bought her own house.
ఓకే.
So we all are settled in our own place. सब chilled out है, सब अपना बैठते खाते आराम करते जाते फ्रेंड्स से मिलते हैं. Chill out है babe life.
పేరెంట్స్ మీతో ఉంటారు ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ హైదరాబాద్లో?
I will not live without my parents. Since my childhood, I'm sorry. I cannot live without my parents because since childhood it was in my brain. नहीं, मुझे मेरे माँ बाप को गरीब नहीं देखना है. मुझे मेरे माँ बाप को देखना है till the time my mother father is there, they are alive. I have to give them everything that when they die they should smile and die. कि हाँ satisfied कि मेरा बच्चा भी खुश है, सब माँ ने करके भी रखा है, माँ बाप भी खुश है, सब प्रॉपर है. I will stay with my parents.
సో మ్యారేజ్ థాట్స్ లేవని?
Please stop it. I'm not interested.
ఐ నో నేను కొన్ని ఇంటర్వ్యూస్లో చేశాను, అదే చెప్తున్నా, మ్యారేజ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ లేదు
नहीं లేదు
లేదు అండ్ చేసుకోరు.
వద్దు.
ఎందుకంత?
Not interested.
అంటే
I had 4 serious relationship in my life. It's not like that I did not try or I'm like, you know, a pakka virgin girl. No. I'm a 31-year-old woman. Independent woman. But नहीं यार, मेरे जैसा सोचने वाला कोई नहीं है यार. There is nobody who can...
మీతో సింక్ అయ్యే థాట్స్ వచ్చే పర్సన్ వస్తే?
हाँ, then no problem. But I know for sure till the time I'm here, there is nobody who's gonna think like me. और मुझे मालूम है अगर कोई लड़का भी है ना, बाल पकड़ के मार के अपने आप को भाग जाएगा कि मैंने क्या कर दिया. मैं किसके साथ रिलेशनशिप में हूँ. I told you, there is no filter from my brain till my mouth. So it's better to be honest. It's better to be honest than lying and holding on to something which is not even worth. Arey, life goes on, yaar. It goes up and down, up and. Ali said it. This dialogue is Ali's dialogue. Your industry, being an artist, you're like a heartbeat. You're supposed to go up and down, up and down. That means you're still alive. ठीक है? I took that thing and put it on my life also. Your life is also supposed to be like that. You're supposed to go up and down. So every relation, every friendship, every people around you, your school, your education, your cousins, your family, everybody, there is up and down. And with that, I have learned one thing. हाँ मैंने ये सीखा, but I have molded in my way, thinking about okay, shit has happened. I am feeling very bad about it. Shit has happened, and the shit really happened with the bird. The shit really. See, it's funny, right? Bird भी बोला ले ले, shit happened बोल रही ना ले, एक और ले. But I believe we are supposed to move on. See, this is how we are supposed to move on. Take the life as a very lighter way, in a very happy way. Enjoy about it. Be funny about it. Laugh on yourself. That's it. Move on. Make others happy.
ఫస్ట్ రిలేషన్షిప్ బ్రేక్ అయినప్పుడు కూడా ఇంతే స్ట్రాంగ్గా ఉన్నారా?
हाँ, फर्स्ट रिलेशन ऐसा होता है ना फॉर एवरीबडीज लाइफ. पीछे कैमरा के शादी हो गई, आंटी को बोलती हूँ रुको, भाभी को बोलती हूँ जाकर, भाभी फर्स्ट रिलेशनशिप बोल रही ना, पीछे से कैमरा के पीछे से कर रहे. बोला मैंने.
సో ఫస్ట్ రిలేషన్షిప్ లో ఇంత స్ట్రాంగ్ గా ఉండిందా లేకపోతే
No, first relationship really hurt me a lot.
you were serious?
I was very serious. I was very serious. very serious कि वो झटका जो लगा कि आज तक का लाइफ एकदम डिफरेंट थॉट प्रोसेस से जीना है. मुझे खुद से लाइफ जीना है. आई वांट टू लिव माई लाइफ द वे आई वांट टू, नॉट ऑन एनीबडीज टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन. सॉरी, सब तो अपनी लाइफ ही जी रहे ना. सो व्हाई द हेल आई कैन नॉट लिव माई लाइफ ऑन माई ओन टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन. आई एम गोइंग टू लिव माई लाइफ ऑन माई ओन टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन. समझ में आया? रो नहीं समझ आया? फक ऑफ. Mine is very simple and I'm very happy. I have people, good people around me. Touch wood, I have good work. Touch wood, I have good school friends. Touch wood, my nephews are my best friend. Touch wood, my family is my best friend. मेरे को कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम है मैं उनके पास जाके रो सकती हूँ. I don't need anybody or to show the world look at me. I'm hard. Fuck that. It's not at all my cup of tea. Simple. You have to change. You cannot constantly be stable. You cannot. And when you change to become stronger.
Okay.
When you change to motivate people. When you change to inspire people. When you change, the change is good when that change is keeping you happy.
Okay.
So change only when you are happy. Otherwise, leave it. Stay the way you want to stay. See how your life goes. मेरे नहीं फर्क पड़ता. बट हाँ, फर्स्ट रिलेशनशिप डज मैटर फॉर एवरी गर्ल और एनी बॉय. जैसा वो अंकल पीछे कैमरा के सबको मैटर करता है, सिर्फ कोई बताता नहीं है.
Yes.
कोई जायज नहीं करता है बिकॉज दे आर स्कैर्ड दैट पीपल आर गोना जज देम. व्हाई? लेट देम जज. Because people are gonna judge you, you will get to know what their thought process is about this whole thing. You will get to know किस तरह के प्रकार के प्राणी हैं. There are different types of pranis on this planet with different attitude, different thought process, different thinking. You will not only get positive, you will get negative also. तो पता तो चले. Do it. You will get to know who's right and who's wrong. कैसे कैसे टाइप के लोग होते हैं दुनिया में. सीखो. दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर यू, एनीबडी टू लर्न. डोंट थिंक ओ शिट ज़ैब में ये डायलॉग तो चुराने वाली हूँ तेरा. माई सिस्टर का डायलॉग है. आई अकॉर्डिंग टू माई फैमिली आई एम वेरी नाइव.
Okay.
ठीक है. ये डायलॉग my sister Zabain, she told me one day, because I get very upset immediately. जो अभी नहीं हो रही हूँ मैं, जो फर्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा, और ऑपरेशन के बाद तो और भी फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है. जाओ, जो करना है कर लो, जो उखाड़ना है उखाड़ लो. It doesn't matter to me. So she said it, मुन्नू, do you actually think तेरा तो ऐसा है मुन्नू कि मैं शेर को नहीं खाती तो शेर मुझे भी नहीं खाएगा. It's a fact. It's a very wrong thinking. That if I am not eating lion, the lion will not eat me. It is a wrong thinking. Because I used to think, na, I am not bad with anybody. I am not doing wrong to anybody. I am not hurting anybody. So why people are hurting me? So that's where the dialogue comes. And that stuck in my brain. मैंने हाँ यार, ठीक है, भाड़ों में जाए. मेरे को जरूरत ही नहीं किसी के ऊपर भी इतना thinking डालने की या इतना सोचने की कि क्या है क्या नहीं है. That's where you learn from life, yeah. So much you learn. And once you become 31, obviously you will learn more because your brain works more faster. And on top of that, you have 9 titanium wires, so it will run more faster, like a Rajdhani train. Correct? It will run more faster, like a Rajdhani train. So that. See? Laugh, laugh. Today is the happy day. Laugh. Did anybody give you interview like this and made you laugh so
No,
much?
That's why I invited you.
Sorted. See? My thing to be here, be happy, make people happy, talk truth about everything, be honest about yourself, accept your mistakes. No problem, yeah. किसको जो judge करना है करने दो. Whoever wants to say anything, let them say. अरे यार, I went for this Vizag show, which I never did it, and they're calling me from last 4 years. Correct? 4 या 5 years से.
వైజాగ్ దగ్గర చిన్న విలేజ్ లో ఏదో షో దట్ వన్
5 साल से बेचारे लोग मुझे बुला रहे and I never did it because I was on break. I took a break. I went to Mumbai. कि मैं अभी मेरा लाइफ एंजॉय करना है. मैंने टीन्स नहीं देखा, 20s नहीं देखा, कुछ लाइफ एंजॉय ही नहीं किया, तो मैं भागू तो सही मुंबई. That's the reason why I took a break. So over here you saw all the rumor what they have started. ठीक है, which never matter. Which doesn't even matter to me. When I went Vizag ka, they started saying I've turned into recording dancer. And I'm like, are you freaking kidding me? मैंने सही है करो कर लो. I'm like करो, because see, you get to see, you know me as a person, so you know me. Correct? And people who know me, and when they read everything about this, imagine उन लोग कितना हंसते होंगे ये लोगों पर कि just to create a nuisance, a gossip just for that one click on your website, you write this. कमाने दो पैसा, उसका भी घर मेरे से ही चल रहा है, चला भाई कमा. ऐसा सब है. When I came back, I finished Tikka and started promotion, and when I went to audio function, that's where then one guy, I don't know from where, he writes, I have 3 husbands from 3 different caste.
Yeah.
यार एक भी नहीं यार, 3 अलग अलग कास्ट है. लेडी है, लाइक ये क्या बात हो गई. कैथलिक, मुस्लिम और प्रॉपर तेलंगाना.
वाह.
सही है. अब बच्चे कब पैदा करूंगी वो बता देना. लेडी ऐसा होता है babe. When you reach to a position ना, this is what happens, and I've accepted. अरे मैंने ये भी decide किया है, जो लोग on my Facebook whatever they write also ना, सब का नाम निकाल के, उनके सब के कमेंट्स निकाल के एक दिन बैठ के लाइव वीडियो करूंगी. ये ऐसे टाइप के लोग होते हैं हमारे उधर. देखो, अगर मैं बोल्ड कर रही हूँ बिकॉज मेरे को बचपन से एक ही चीज सिखाया है, दिस इज योर जॉब. You're supposed to do your job. Right now you're doing your job. Are you going to wear your bikini? If I'm going to say wear your bikini and take my interview, are you going to do that? No. Do you think in office, corporate world, they can wear casual and go? No. You have to wear formals. So this is my job. And if I'm respecting my job, I am doing my job without thinking about that somebody is looking at my boobs or somebody is looking at my ass. I'm not even thinking about it because my focus is completely my job. तो जिसकी सोच गलत है तो वो तो दिख ही रहा है ना. इट इज सीन. प्रकार प्राणीज, डिफरेंट प्राणीज, एनिमल्स ऑन आवर लैंड. इट्स इजी टू सी. सो यू शुड नॉट फील बैड ऑल्सो अबाउट इट. आई डोंट फील बैड. आई जेन्युइनली डोंट फील बैड, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है एज एन आर्टिस्ट मैं सबका पेट भर रही हूँ. वो दुआ है मुझ पे.
70+ movies. అంతేనా 70+?
18 years from the age of 13 till
అన్ని
31.
ఇండస్ట్రీస్తో కలిపి.
Including background dancer and everything, more than 150. As a background dancer, including that with the character, with all the movies, Bombay and here, more than 150 because Rose Kam.
అండ్ 17 years ఇండస్ట్రీలో.
Yeah, 13 to 31. Na?
సో ఈ జర్నీ ఒక్క 2 లైన్స్లో చెప్పండి మీ వచ్చిన దగ్గర నుంచి.
Fantastic. Look at Mumayat today, man. Journey is fantastic. Two
రిగార్డ్
lines is that only. I'm very happy. I am very happy. I'm genuinely very happy.
ఓకే.
काम मिले नहीं मिले doesn't matter. बहुत प्यार मिलता है.
ఓకే.
When my this operation also happened, my mother said it. बेटा तुझे तेरे फैंस की दुआ है और तेरे को जानवरों का दुआ है because I love pets ना.
वाओ.
तो मेरा माँ बोलता है हाँ मेरा माँ शी वॉज टेलिंग मी कि बेटा तेरे को तेरा फैंस का दुआ और तेरा जानवरों का दुआ है तो तू बच गई. मैं बच गई. तो इसके लिए देर इज आई एम वेरी हैप्पी इन वेर एवर पोजिशन आई बी इवन दो इफ आई वर्क इन द इंडस्ट्री और आई डोंट वर्क इन द इंडस्ट्री touch wood my goal was to satisfy my parents and make something and keep it so that when they die very satisfyingly. There shouldn't be any problem. और उनके मरने के बाद भी they should not think यार मेरे बच्चे के साथ क्या होगा. तो माँ ने भी बच्चे के लिए इतना बना के रख दिया उसी के ही पैसे का. तो इसके लिए टेंशन है ही नहीं. और पहले से ना फेम मनी इतना मुझे बॉदर किया तो मैं तो नॉर्मल लाइफ जी ही रही हूँ. So even though if I work or I don't work, मैं normal खुश हूँ. मेरे स्कूल के फ्रेंड्स हैं. That's it. I don't have any.
ఇప్పుడు ఇండస్ట్రీ కాకపోతే ఇంకా లేదు వర్క్ ఇక్కడ అనుకుని చాలు అనుకుంటే
I leave to US.
యుఎస్.
I will leave to US. My mentality doesn't match. It's completely different than other people.
ఏం చేస్తూ ఉంటుంది యుఎస్లో?
अरे मेरी माँ ने तो बोला है. My mother said it. बेटा, you have your property ना? Sell one, buy it in US. Go stay there, live your life, settle there. Because your mentality doesn't match. And my mother said it. So I was like, ठीक है, क्या करना है? कुछ नहीं करना है. Even though over there, if you go and work in a normal, because the wages is very high there, huh, by the way. Let me tell you, they don't have much employees like we have in India. अपने इंडिया में लेबर ज़्यादा है, वहाँ पे नहीं है. So the wages are good. Even though if I go and work in Victoria's Secret or H&M or any big brand, I'll get good amount. और उधर ही जाकर उधर ही LA में Burbank में you'll find all the studios. Go give the interview. एक तो प्रोफाइल तो है ना ऑनलाइन इतना बड़ा. जाओ इंटरव्यू दे दो. लक लगी नहीं लगी तो वो एंजॉय करो लाइफ में. गो गेट योर लाइक यू नो आस्क का पे वेजेस. एंजॉय योर लाइफ. स्पेंड नाइसली. मीट समवन whom you think your same mentality guy. If you don't meet also still you're happy because alcohol is very 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 cheap. Though I cannot drink.
You cannot drink.
Yeah, after my operation, but still अपने आप ना दिल को बोल के तसल्ली हो जाती है कि हाँ नहीं कुछ ना कुछ तो फन हो जाएगा. So that's what I have decided.
సో ముమైత్ డార్క్ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ లైఫ్ చూసింది అంటే ఫినాన్షియల్ కానీ అండ్ ఫేమ్ ఈ గ్రాఫ్ చూసింది. సో ముమైత్ సోషల్ సర్వీస్ లాంటివి ఏమన్నా వాటిల్లో ఉంది అంటే కొంచెం ఈ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ చూసి ఫేమ్ చూసిన వాళ్ళకి ఆ పెయిన్ తెలుస్తుంది.
See, I would love to do that, but I would still want to come on that position to do that.
ఓకే.
Right now, whatever I did was for myself and my family. You know, there is this saying, the charity begins at home.
ఎస్.
The charity begins at home and it is true. So till now, Mumayat only gave her life taking care of her house and her family, her mother and father. That was her whole goal. And whatever she has right now, it is only enough for that.
ఓకే.
She cannot share it with anybody. क्योंकि वो शेयर करने जाएगी ना खुद ही टूट के गिर जाएगी. So I will not be like यार नहीं मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है तो भी मैं करके दूंगी. No, मेरे को इतना दयावान नहीं बनना है. I would rather work sensible. I would rather do smart things where I know यार ठीक है किसी और से या कैसे भी socially करके we can give it. I would love to be part of something like that.
ఓకే.
Where I can really help it. And I especially want to help all the animals and old age people. मेरा ये अरमान है. This is my dream for sure.
ఎన్ని పెట్స్ ఉన్నాయి మీ దగ్గర? పెట్స్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి?
Now तो I have one Molly. इतनी छोटी है, so much attitude she's got. She's worse than her owner.
He raised by you.
That's why I'm saying that she's worse than her owner. She's worst. They say it, na, your pet is the reflection of your owner. She's worst. I was never like that. Arey, she's a mini pincher. She's only 3 feet. Her attitude is of 15 feet. और जैसे कुछ ऐसे भी आवाज आए ना, she'll run first. She will run first for her life. She will run first. हाँ. And then one day I was telling her, Molly, बेटा हम लोग सब मर जाएंगे, तू अकेली रहेगी, तेरे को कौन देखे, ऐसा भागते नहीं, साथ में मरने का, भागना नहीं है. She is Molly and she's there with me from last 3 years now. Since childhood till now, I had more than 9 cats. I had more than Moti was having 16 kids. So 16. फिर Sophie और 2 Dashin, Prince and Princess, 2 Dashin. Then I had German Shepherd. I had a normal dog. So 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Normal dog. And then I came here, I bought Pitbull. And then I since childhood, babe, not just now, since childhood I loved it. More than 25 dogs I had it, and now Molly is there.
అమలా గారి వర్క్ గురించి ఐడియా ఉందా? పెట్స్.
हाँ, मेरी माँ तो पानी मार के भगाती थी. मेरी माँ, they'll come and be with me because I used to give love.
అమలా గారు నాగార్జున గారు వైఫ్.
अच्छा, Amla. Oh, okay. I thought you were saying Amma, my mother.
No, అమలా.
हाँ. So that was there, and then I had 2 monkeys, and I had parrot. My father was having 1 monkey, normal one, and then goats and chicken. Desi chicken.
Okay. Got it.
I love pets. मेरी माँ बोलती ना बेटा तू. I was telling Gopi the other day. Gopi, I wanna actually genuinely I wanna pet buffalo.
Okay.
They look so cute.
ఇక్కడ హైదరాబాద్ లో మీ ఇంట్లో సరిపోతుందా ప్లేస్?
नहीं ना, my mother is saying buy a bungalow. You keep it in your backyard, your zoo. So I wanna have a proper goat, hen. I like it.
Yeah,
it's your time pass. It's
Time
not
pass,
time pass. It's just the
it's
love
love
you
it.
wanna give. That's what. Because my goat used to touch his head on my head to love me.
Okay.
So that's when I miss my goat. In Muslim, you're supposed to take care of your goat, and then Bakra Eid mein you're supposed to give it, because there is a saying like, you know, Allah maaf karna, I forgot the name, but then there is a saying. A guy was said to give bali of his son. So he was ready. So when he was ready, so then that's why the God was like, you know what, no, wait. Instead of that, you do it on the goat. So that's the reason why in Muslim you're supposed to take care of a goat for a whole year as your own child. And then you cannot give the bali. You cannot. And when you do it, so that's where the heart breaks. So that's the ritual. The ritual is completely different and you cannot break that ritual.
ఇప్పుడు ఇండస్ట్రీలో అమలా గారు ఉన్నారు కదా, అమలా గారు ఇలాంటి యాక్టివిటీస్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. ఐడియా ఉందా మీకు? అండ్
Peeta, she's there, na? Yes.
Blue Cross.
Yes, Blue Cross, correct.
Have you been to there?
No, babe.
Okay.
I don't get out of my house.
Okay.
Because as soon as I get out, good luck, right now nobody is there. Otherwise you saw when I came what was happening. तो मेरा घर के नीचे ही उतर के तो सब वॉचमैन ऐसा, तो अभी उनको मना भी नहीं कर सकते हैं. हाँ सर, ओके सर, ऐसा होता है. तो इसके लिए I don't get out of the house also.
ఏం టాటూయింగ్ ఇష్టమా బాగా?
Yes.
అండ్ ఆ సాంగ్లో కూడా, పోక్రీ సాంగ్లో కూడా మీ?
Yes, I have 10 tattoos.
ఓవరాల్?
Overall.
ఓకే.
10.
ఏ ఏజ్లో యూ గాట్ దట్?
16.
16లో.
16 I started piercing, tattoo.
ఓకే.
Started. I don't know. I was very much. I was attracted towards it, not for show off, not to show off to somebody or like, you know, look, I'm so hip and hap, like, you know, oh God, look at me. No, it was never that case. I love it. If you tell me, Mumayat, I'll pay for your tattoo, get your whole back tattoo done, I will do it. कर ले. फिर बोल सकती ना माँ को, मैंने तो पैसा नहीं दी, मैंने नहीं, उसने बोली है, मैंने नहीं करी. हाँ हो गया ना मम्मी, fuck it. ऐसा. I don't do it.
అండ్ ముమైత్ ఖాన్ స్పెషల్ సాంగ్స్కే కాకుండా యాక్టింగ్ కూడా చేసింది కొన్ని మూవీస్లో. బట్ మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద పీపుల్ మిమ్మల్ని ఎలా ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేస్తారంటే సాంగ్స్లోనే, స్పెషల్ సాంగ్స్లోనే. తెలుసా అది మీకు?
Yes, they like that one also, and they like me in, they like my Maisam IPS character. They keep telling me about that. Madam, Saya Maisam, IPS. Thanks to Dasari Garu sir, man. Dasari sir has done a fantastic job with me. I don't know why and how he saw that girl in me. I don't have any. You know how I went and I met him? In my La Senza pajama and t-shirt and a Bata chappal. I was at the shoot. And that's what I wear. I wear my night suit and go. Because as soon as you reach there, you have to change in your clothes again, right?
Yeah.
So what's the point of wearing good clothes and going? So that's how I went and I met him with my mother.
ఓకే మిమ్మల్ని అలా స్పెషల్ సాంగ్లోనే చూద్దాం అనుకుంటే మీకు ఓకేనా లేదా ఇలా క్యారెక్టర్స్ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్
I am okay with any job. Till the time I'm in the industry, I'm okay with any job. हाँ कोई मदर का रोल या आंटी वंटी का रोल सॉरी तो भूल जाना भाई, तब तक मैं यूएस में रहूंगी. वो तो सोचना ही नहीं मुमायत कभी जिंदगी में करेगी. सॉरी, ना किसी की मम्मी बनना है मुझे, ना किसी की आंटी बनना है. That तो thing you will never find in me.
ఓకే 5 క్వశ్చన్స్ అడుగుతాను, రేట్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ ఆన్ దట్.
Oh okay.
ముమైత్ యాజ్ ఎ రెస్పాన్సిబుల్ చైల్డ్.
Oh 10 out of 10. आज तक का खून खून में भरा है.
ముమైత్ యాజ్ ఎ సిస్టర్.
Oh 3 out of 10. I like to get pampered from my family. So me, हाँ because I'm the youngest ना. Older रहते then I'll say what my responsibility are being an elder person or elder sister to everybody. So I will give myself 3 because I don't do anything. They'll only do for me. My sisters, they do it for me. Okay. It's because of my father. Because my father loves me. He pampers me a lot. तो फादर की वजह से सब बहनों को मुझे पैम्पर करना पड़ता है. अब बहन लोग तो कर रहे हैं, now nephews are also pampering me. They know auntie कैसी है. For them also it's very clear. So as a sister I will give myself 3, very low point.
హౌ సెంటి రేట్, హౌ సెంటి యు ఆర్.
Too much. Too senti man. इसके लिए I become strong. खराब लगता है इंसान है. We are human यार. अभी if you're going to fall in gutter, I will not let you fall in gutter ना. I will tell you babe, देख gutter है, गिरना नहीं है please. अब गिर जाएगी, नहीं सुनेगी, गिरेगी. If you'll not listen to me, still you'll fall down. Then I'll tell you. I told you ना. हाँ, how many times I'm supposed to tell you? Why are you repeating the same thing? Why is this? So that's where the sentiment comes and the caring comes, and that's where everything happens. So it is. I'm sorry. I am like this with my close people. I am like this, and I'll always gonna be like this. If you hate me, stop talking to me. It doesn't matter. But one day for sure you will call me. One day for sure you'll come back to me. I know that for sure. As a friend, I'm a very good friend. I'm a very good friend. I'm a very good friend because as a friend, I don't think twice saying anything wrong, and I don't think twice even appreciating also. I'm a very good friend.
హౌ రొమాంటిక్ యు ఆర్.
I need it. I am not.
Hey, you've been in 4 relationships. You're not romantic. Don't tell me that's the reason why you got broke up.
No man, they always had ego with me for God's sake. Not because I was not romantic, dude. क्या है ये question?
Mumayt is blushing.
What is this question?
Rate yourself, no? On a scale of 1 to 10.
Dick, you help me with this, okay?
Okay, tell.
Why do I see Sex Pistol? No, I'm serious. There is a Sex Pistol.
Yeah, it's there. Yeah.
You
tell.
help me. My first relationship was for 4 years.
Okay.
My second relationship was for 3.5. And my third relationship was 2 years. Now my last relationship was 1.5, 2 years. What do you think?
You got vexed up with this relationship. Or your graph is like.
है ना? तो इसके लिए कुछ रेट ही नहीं कर पा रही हूँ मैं, क्योंकि मनी नहीं है.
At least from your side.
See, as a romantic person and caring and loving, I'm 10 out of 10.
Yes.
When you ask me this. But when you talk about in the relationship sensible talk, then I will not listen to anybody. So that's where the graph, I don't know where it goes. So इसके लिए it's hard to say it. Love, care, like I said, the way I do it with friends is the same thing. If I'm loving my friends and if I'm in a relationship, imagine it's going to be more. But in the return, if I'm not getting anything, so gradually it is going to get over. And the only love is going to be there only for the family. the care, love, romance, it's only going to be for the family.
సో ముమైత్ లైఫ్లో ఇంకా బాయ్స్ లేరు.
No.
నో మోర్
Friends are there.
నో అలా కాదు, రిలేషన్షిప్స్ కానీ.
नहीं ना, अभी इतने जल्दी नहीं. After my operation, you really think I want to waste my money? My expensive titanium wires are there in my brain. Do you genuinely think I want to waste it on getting into any relationship or boys? They're very expensive, huh? By the way, my one titanium wires are very expensive. I paid 27 lakhs for the operation.
Oh my God.
तो एक wire is almost 2.5 lakh, 2 lakhs का wire, and now 9 wire. Multiply it. मैं नहीं देना है ये wire में. I feel like mutant, X-Men. I feel mutant and X-Men. So balls, I'm gonna waste it on anybody. I will not waste.